Central here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take apart the Xbox 360 controller without using the special key. Here's what I have, what I'm using: a regular screwdriver, and I took some sandpaper. I don't know if you can see. I took the tip and sanded it down so it would be small enough, see, to be able to unscrew these screws. Now, there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then one behind the battery pack. So 7 screws you're going to want to unscrew. Technically, you're supposed to be using a special tool, but I don't really have one, so I made this thing. So improvise. So yeah, hold on. Once you unscrew the screws, you'll be able to lift this off. There you go, it just lifts right off. And then you have this. Technically your rumble packs should be here, but I have mine removed. I'll show you how to do that in a second. And then you have this. If you take these off, you get your buttons, and you can dump your buttons out like that. And they'll come out. So you have nothing left. So you could paint them or do whatever you want with them. D-pad removal is pretty easy. All you have to do, I don't want to remove mine, but there's like little clips here. You have to take a screwdriver and pinch them, and it'll come right off. It's really easy. And then this thing comes out really easy, it just lifts off, up and off. And then this, here's like the board, just lifts off like this, and then you have your board. To remove these, the paddles, triggers, you have to take a screwdriver like this, and you have to push this part out, and it'll come off, but I don't really want to do that because it's really a pain in the butt. If you don't have to do it, don't do it, because it's a struggle to put it back in. And yeah, that's about it. I have this and a bunch of parts now. That's it.